Welcome to Second Innings Music and Photography. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to an extraordinary astrophotographer, Anand Patre. Anand Patre, a name synonymous with capturing the cosmos in its most breathtaking forms. Anand's journey into the world of astrophotography began at a young age. Fascinated by the night sky, he spent countless hours gazing at the stars, dreaming of capturing their beauty. Over the years, Anand has honed his skills, becoming a master of his craft. His stunning shots of the Milky Way and mesmerizing images of distant galaxies and nebulas transport us to the far reaches of the universe. When we say far, we mean it. These celestial wonders are thousands to millions of light years away. Remember, a light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. Incredible, isn't it? Anand's success is not just about his passion, but also his dedication to mastering the technical aspects of astrophotography. Using state-of-the-art equipment and innovative techniques, he captures the night sky in ways that leave us in awe. While the Earth keeps rotating and moving, Anand's high-tech telescope stays focused on the subject for hours together. Anand then skillfully stacks 50 to 200 high-resolution, long-exposure images with his specialized software to present such stunning images. Let us hear from Anand himself about what drives his passion and what he hopes to achieve in the future. Anand says, "I developed an interest in astronomy when I was very young. A pair of binoculars belonging to my father took me to another world. I am also into nature photography. Only in 2017, I started astrophotography seriously. One night I tried to shoot the bright Orion Nebula with my Sony DSLR camera with a 300mm tele lens which I was using for wildlife photography. I was simply thrilled to see the colors in the nebula. That, I think, was a turning point which drew me to astrophotography. Way back in 80s, when astronomy telescopes were not easily available, I tried to make several telescopes myself by purchasing a couple of good optics from a manufacturer in Chennai. Finally, I built a perfect visual telescope which kindled my curiosity further about the universe. But this telescope was limited only to observing the bright planets and galaxies, which are relatively closer. Subsequently, I decided to buy a motorized mount so that I could take long exposure photographs. Now I have invested in a sophisticated setup with which I spend nights trying to get better and better images. Let me admit that this hobby digs a big rabbit hole in your pocket, as there is no end to upgrading. Astrophotography is more than just a hobby for me, it's a way to connect with the universe. I hope to inspire others to look up and appreciate the beauty that lies beyond our world, he says. We are incredibly proud to feature Anand Patre on our channel. His work reminds us of the endless wonders of the universe and the beauty that can be captured through the lens. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it widely, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and stunning visuals. Thank you for watching.